my friends again. This is Ileo, and I'm always happy to share knowledge with you. Today we will continue our journey about types of sentences. Let's talk about compound sentences. A compound sentence is a sentence with more than one subject and more than one predicate. It joins two or more independent clauses using a coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunctions are always simplified in the word fanboys. It's an acronym that we use to make it easier for everybody to remember. The important thing to remember is that an independent clause equals a simple sentence, so don't worry about it as long as you feel that it's a complete thought. It is an independent clause. Also, don't forget that before any of the above coordinating conjunctions, we have to add a comma. We may also use a semicolon, which is a punctuation mark used instead of a coordinating conjunction, only if the two sentences or the independent clauses are related ideas. Sharing examples is always so much fun, so let's enjoy examples together. Our first example is Amira loves Asian food, but Dina likes Italian food more. Here I have two subjects, Amira and Dina. I also have two predicates, loves and likes. Another example can be if I say, Ash draws flowers and Moho helps her all the time. Here Ash and Moho are my subjects. Draws and helps are my predicates. Also if I say, Amr worked hard, yet Omar wanted a long vacation. Here I have two subjects, Amr and Omar, and my predicate is worked and also wanted, so two subjects and two predicates. Now I'm going to share an example using a semicolon for you to get it clear. If I say, I'm looking forward to meet you, it will be a great chance to talk. Here I have two complete thoughts, two independent clauses, two simple sentences put together, combined by a semicolon, and that is a compound sentence. In brief, a compound sentence is two complete thoughts, ideas, put together with a conjunction, a comma, and an end mark. Also, we can use a semicolon instead of the conjunction. I'm always excited to share information with you, and I hope that you've enjoyed it and you've learned something new today. Let's meet in our upcoming video. If you like our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Instagram and like our Facebook page. Thank you.